So do you know that you can use sodom apple leaf, ten pieces of this leaf to treat infection, either toilet infection or any type of infection like gonorrhea, like staphylococcus infection. You can use 10 pieces of this to treat it. So you need 10 pieces of this leaf. You boil this leaf with 2.5 liters of water, at least for 30 minutes. You understand? Then turn the turn that water to another plastic rubber. You are going to be drinking that water morning and night, like maybe 35 cl is okay, for 1 week. Another week you repeat this process, you get another leaf. Are you with me? So you are going to repeat it at least for 1 month and half. As you are with me, by the grace of Almighty God, you surely share me a good testimony. It's very simple.